How to show mutual friends on Facebook. Open up your Facebook application first, then tap on the profile icon at the top right, and from here simply head over to settings by tapping on the gear icon. And once you land on the settings page, scroll down, and then from here you'll find audience and visibility. Then you can tap on this option, how people can find and contact you. And then from here, you will be able to adjust all of these settings, like who can send you friend requests, who can see your friend list. Tap on who can see your friend list and make sure that this is set to friends. And then tap on save. This will also include your mutual friends. So you just have to make sure that this is not set to only me, because if you set this to only me, only you will be able to see your friend list, and it will also include your mutual friends. So go ahead and tap on it and set this to friends or public, so anyone in the public can see if they have any mutual friends with you. Or from your friend list as well, your friends will be able to see if you have mutual friends among you. So tap on save and then you should be good to go. That's it for this video, guys. I hope it was helpful. I'll catch you on the next one.